driving by your house, though I know you're not home. I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. You got your hair combed back and your sunglasses on, babe. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer have gone. I never will forget those nights. I wonder if it was a dream. Remember how you made me crazy? Remember how I made you scream? Now I don't understand what happened to our love. Babe, I wanna get you back. I'm gonna show you what I'm made of. I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. I see you walking real slow and smiling at everyone. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer have gone. Saw a deadhead sticker on a Cadillac. A little voice inside my head said, don't look back, you can never look back. I thought I knew what love was, what did I know? Those days are gone forever, I should just let them go. But I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. You got the top pulled down, radio on, babe. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer have gone. And I can see you, your brown skin shining in the sun. You got that hair slicked back and your wayfarer's on, babe. I can tell you my love for you will still be strong after the boys of summer have gone.
My GPS lost signal. Is there a gas station right around here?
Yes. Go back out the entrance, take a left, and it's just down over the hill on the left.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice ride.
Thank you.
Seems like yesterday that we hadn't made, but this is not the way that we had planned. It's hard to understand what happened to all the times and all the places. I guess it's time I need to face this. You're not here, but you've never been so close, and that's why I say that I won't let go. Oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, teach me how to go on without you, and I swear I won't let go. Oh no, ooh, yeah. So now it's been 3 years and we're all still here, living day to day, keeping your memory safe in everything we say and do. We raise a glass to you, my friend. Remember all the times and all the faces, missing you tonight. It's time to face this. You're right here. You've never been too far away to hear us say that we won't let go. Oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, teach us how to go on without you, and I swear we won't let go. Oh no, They say you never know what you have until it's gone. These memories keep me wide awake. I know it's been too long. On the silver screen you speak to me of all the things you wanted to be, but you live on in memory. And after all this time I start to see you are the one who got us here. Told us to cross that line, taught us to face our fears. Through stormy weather we'll stay together, and in our hearts you'll live forever. And I swear we won't let go. Oh no, of the memories we hold. Oh no, teach us how to go on without you, and I swear we won't let go. Oh no, I swear we won't let go.
You told me it's alright, that everything's okay, but I can see there's something more that you don't want to say. It's written in your eyes. Well, I can see you're scared. For some reason can't find the words to take away your fear. And somehow in this moment, the world catches a light, and all I see is fire reflected in your eyes. And in this very moment, there's only me and you. Let it burn around us and watch the world undo. If this is the end of the world, then I wanna spend it with you. There is not a single thing that I would rather do than kiss you and tell you I love you, and watch it all go up in flames. Well, take my hand, don't say goodbye, forever and always. Sometimes it's suffocating, you can't come up for air. All it takes is a moment, and that can disappear. I know I can't fake it, and at times I'm just not there, but I promise you I'm trying, and this is home, I swear. It's all about in this moment, the night sky comes alive, a symphony of fire reflected in your eyes. And in this very moment, there's only me and you. We'll let it burn around us and watch the world undo. If this is the end of the world, then I wanna spend it with you. But there is not a single thing that I would rather do than kiss you and tell you I love you, and watch it all go up in flames. And take my hand, don't say goodbye, forever and always. Step into the dark, you know we'll make it through. Hand in hand to hell and back, well I will follow you. We'll step into the dark, you know we'll make it through. Hand in hand to hell and back, well I will follow you. If this is the end of the world, then I wanna spend it with you. But there is not a single thing that I would rather do than kiss you and tell you I love you, and watch as it goes up in flames. Well, take my hand, don't say goodbye, forever and always. If this is the end of the world, then I wanna spend it with you. But there is not a single thing that I would rather do than kiss you and tell you I love you, and watch as it goes up in flames. Well, take my hand, don't say goodbye, forever and always. If this is the end of the world, this is the end of the world. This is the end of the world, then I wanna spend it with you. This is the end of the
My light come on. Your light came on?
My light, you went over How far? About 110 miles?
106, yeah. It started sputtering. I don't want to like dry all the way out.
Any idea if there's gas in here shortly? Any idea if we got a gas station coming up or not?
I don't know.
I'll be running out of gas before you know it. It's been a while.
Yeah.
Gas. I was looking at mine. I was down below half. Oh, it is. Wow. Yeah, I'm down. I'm almost down. I don't know how far it'll go. The nearest place is get gas. How far can you go, Tim, before you run? I don't know. The light came on a couple miles ago.
How much?
2 miles ago, the light came on.
How far will that get you?
I have no idea.
Okay.
Might be 10 miles, might be 5, might be 20. I don't know. Right. Wonder the nearest station is too. How'd that work? Good? Get it gassed up?
Yeah, that's fine.
Well, he said go back out here and onto whatever road that was. Yeah. Down about 4 miles to where you hit 37. He says a gas station right there. Yeah. Did you just turn off here for the gas, or is this our road? When you came this way, was this the way we need to go?
No.
Oh.
No, it's just I wanted to get off that main drag. I knew it's sputtering.
Alright. Well, I hope I ain't sputtering, please.
Left the one I love on one of the 1,000 islands, but unfortunately I can't remember which one. So I row up the river St. Lawrence, and I'm hollering, Florence, oh, where can you be? I mustn't take a nap, I gotta watch the map. That was Island 793. Roll from shore to shore, knock on every door. How many 1,000 islands can there be? I wouldn't be so lost up here in 1,000 islands if we only had met down on the Isle of Capri. Now I row up the river St. Lawrence, and I'm hollering, Florence, oh, where can you be? All these 1,000 islands look the same to me. Islands located in the northern and southern hemisphere today. Among them the Caribbean, the Hawaiian, the Marshall, Catalina, Tybee, Floating Island, that's a pudding. None of these are to be confused with the islands in question, namely the 1,000 islands, of which the encyclopedia no doubt has many varied and interesting facts. But I mustn't take a nap, I gotta watch the map. That was Island 793. Roll from shore to shore, knock on every door. How many 1,000 islands can there be? I wouldn't be so lost up here in 1,000 islands if we only had met down on Isle of Capri. Now I row, 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 row up the river St. Lawrence, and I'm hollering, Florence, oh, where can you be? All these thousand islands